Nestled on the Baltic Sea, Kaliningrad is a Russian city with a unique story to tell. It's a place where history and nature collide, creating a tapestry of breathtaking scenery. From sandy beaches to towering cathedrals, Kaliningrad offers something for everyone. Join us as we uncover the best scenic spots this charming city has to offer. Get ready to be amazed by the beauty of Kaliningrad. Kaliningrad's history is as fascinating as its scenery. Once a German city known as Königsberg, it became part of Russia after World War II. This blend of cultures is visible in its architecture and atmosphere. Geographically, Kaliningrad is an enclave, separated from the rest of Russia. It's bordered by Lithuania to the north and east, Poland to the south, and the Baltic Sea to the west. This unique location adds to its charm and allure. No trip to Kaliningrad is complete without a visit to the Curonian Spit. This thin, sandy peninsula stretches for nearly 100 kilometers along the Baltic Sea. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site, known for its stunning sand dunes, lush forests, and charming fishing villages. Take a stroll along the beach, breathe in the fresh sea air, and marvel at the raw beauty of nature. Standing tall on the banks of the Pregolia River is the iconic Königsberg Cathedral. This 14th century masterpiece is a symbol of the city's rich history. Damaged during World War II, the cathedral has been partially restored, offering a glimpse into its former glory. Step inside to admire its soaring arches, intricate stained glass windows, and peaceful ambience. Don't miss the tomb of Immanuel Kant, the famous philosopher who once called Königsberg home. Section 5. Stepping back in time at Rossgarten Gate. Kaliningrad is home to several well-preserved city gates, remnants of its medieval past. One of the most impressive is the Rossgarten Gate. Built in the 19th century, this imposing brick structure once served as a gateway to the city. Today, it stands as a reminder of Kaliningrad's resilience and architectural heritage. Take a walk through the gate and imagine the city as it once was. Section 6. A world of wonder at Kaliningrad Zoo. Escape to the wild side at the Kaliningrad Zoo, one of the oldest and largest zoos in Russia. Established in 1896, this historic zoo has been a sanctuary for wildlife and a place of learning and wonder for generations. Nestled in the heart of Kaliningrad, it spans over 16.5 hectares, offering visitors a chance to connect with nature and wildlife in a serene and beautifully landscaped environment. Home to over 300 species of animals from around the world, the zoo offers a fun and educational experience for all ages. See majestic tigers, playful penguins, and graceful giraffes as you wander through this carefully curated park. Each enclosure is designed to mimic the natural habitat of its inhabitants, providing a safe and enriching environment for the animals and an immersive experience for visitors. The giraffe enclosure is a favorite among visitors, where you can watch these gentle giants gracefully munching on leaves. The zoo's commitment to conservation and education is evident in every corner, with informative displays and interactive exhibits that teach visitors about the importance of wildlife preservation and the role each species plays in our ecosystem. Don't miss the daily animal feedings for a truly unforgettable experience. These feedings are not only a highlight for visitors, but also an essential part of the animals' care routine. Watch as zookeepers share fascinating facts about the animals' diets, behaviors, and natural habitats. The excitement and joy on the faces of children and adults alike during these feedings are a testament to the zoo's ability to inspire and educate. Whether you're a local or a tourist, a visit to the Kaliningrad Zoo promises a day filled with wonder, learning, and unforgettable memories. Section 7. The Amber Treasures of Kaliningrad. Nestled on the shores of the Baltic Sea, Kaliningrad is a city steeped in history and natural beauty. But what truly sets it apart is its unparalleled connection to amber, often referred to as the gold of the north. Kaliningrad is known as the amber capital of the world for a reason. This city, with its rich cultural heritage and stunning landscapes, is a treasure trove of amber. The amber found here is not just any ordinary gemstone. It is a window into the past, capturing the essence of ancient forests that existed millions of years ago. The region is home to the largest deposits of amber, a fossilized tree resin prized for its beauty. These deposits are a testament to the region's unique geological history. Amber mining in Kaliningrad is a fascinating process, involving careful extraction to preserve the delicate resin. The raw amber pieces, with their warm golden hues, are a sight to behold. Visit the Amber Museum to learn about the history and significance of amber. The museum offers a comprehensive look at how amber has been used throughout the ages, from ancient artifacts to modern-day jewelry. The exhibits are meticulously curated, providing visitors with a deep understanding of amber's cultural and economic importance, and marvel at the intricate amber artworks on display. The museum showcases a stunning array of amber sculptures and jewelry, each piece a testament to the skill and creativity of the artisans. The detailed craftsmanship and the natural beauty of the amber combine to create truly breathtaking works of art. You can even find unique amber souvenirs to take home as a reminder of your trip. From delicate jewelry to intricate sculptures, the souvenir shops offer a wide range of amber products. These souvenirs are not just beautiful keepsakes, they are pieces of history, each one telling a story of the ancient forests and the skilled hands that crafted them. So, whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or simply someone who appreciates fine craftsmanship, Kaliningrad's amber treasures are sure to leave a lasting impression. Section 8. Beyond the city centre. While the city centre boasts many scenic spots, don't miss the opportunity to explore beyond its limits. The outskirts of Kaliningrad offer a unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty that is often overlooked by visitors. From charming suburban areas to hidden scenic spots, there's so much more to discover. Take a boat trip along the Pragolya River, offering picturesque views of the city skyline. As you glide along the water, you'll see a different side of Kaliningrad, one that is both tranquil and captivating. The river provides a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of the city centre, allowing you to relax and take in the natural beauty that surrounds you. Visit the World Ocean Museum, housed in a former research vessel, to learn about the mysteries of the deep sea. This fascinating museum offers a wealth of information about marine life, oceanography, and the history of maritime exploration. With interactive exhibits and a variety of displays, it's a must-visit for anyone interested in the wonders of the ocean. For a change of pace, head to the serene botanical garden, a tranquil oasis filled with diverse plant life. This beautiful garden is the perfect place to unwind and connect with nature. Stroll through the lush greenery, admire the vibrant flowers, and take a moment to breathe in the fresh air. Whether you're a plant enthusiast or simply looking for a peaceful retreat, the botanical garden is sure to delight. Another gem to explore is the Amber Museum, located in a historic fortress. Here you can marvel at the stunning collection of amber artifacts, learn about the history and significance of amber in the region, and even see how amber is processed and crafted into beautiful jewelry and art pieces. The museum offers a unique glimpse into the rich cultural heritage of Kaliningrad. Don't forget to visit the Curonian Spit National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its striking sand dunes and diverse wildlife. This natural wonder is a paradise for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're hiking through the forest, birdwatching, or simply enjoying the breathtaking views, the Curonian Spit offers an unforgettable experience. Finally, immerse yourself in the local culture by visiting the bustling markets of Kaliningrad. Here you can sample delicious street food, shop for unique souvenirs, and interact with friendly locals. The markets are a vibrant hub of activity and provide a true taste of everyday life in the city. As the day comes to an end, take a moment to enjoy the stunning sunset over Kaliningrad. The city lights up beautifully at night, offering a magical view that is sure to leave a lasting impression. Whether you're exploring the city centre or venturing beyond its limits, Kaliningrad has something special to offer every visitor. Section 9. Discover your own Kaliningrad. These are just a few of the many scenic wonders that await you in Kaliningrad. With its rich history, diverse culture, and breathtaking landscapes, this Russian gem is sure to captivate your senses. Whether you're strolling along the Baltic coast, admiring historic architecture, or exploring the world of amber, Kaliningrad promises an unforgettable journey. Section 10. What scenic wonders await? Now, we want to hear from you. What part of the world should we explore next? Share your suggestions in the comments below. We're always looking for new adventures and stunning scenery to share with our fellow travelers. Section 11. Join the adventure. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the beauty of Kaliningrad, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration. We'll take you on a journey to discover the most amazing places on Earth, one destination at a time. Happy travels!